cold. I need hose. Hello, Artem?
Hello, how?
You have hose?
Yes, I have one.
Okay, thank you. I wait.
Let's go. Ooh. Go to house. Let's go. Uh-oh. Try again. Go. Oh no, again. What to do? I need trailer. Rabbit, I need your help.
Okay, no problem. Come. What happened, Tuma?
I need trailer.
Trailer? Okay, no problem. But I need tools.
Tools? No problem. Good job.
Wow, cool tools! Wow! Quickly, Artem! Wow, cool tools table! Now I will quickly build a trailer. Let's go! Well done! Now it's your trailer turn!
Wow, cool trailer. Let me leave it for help.
You're welcome, Tuma. Bye!
Let's go quickly. Good job. Let's go. Help me how?
Okay, let's get it! It's wonderful house! Thank you, Tuma!
You're welcome. Do you like this video? If yes, put like.
Bye-bye!